So first, who are you? So we know.
My name is Philip Stark. I'm a professor of statistics at UC Berkeley.
Okay, and what is your perception of what agroecology is?
It's farming in the image of nature, embracing biodiversity. It's kind of the antithesis of monoculture. It's polyculture, growing in a way that's inherently sustainable, far more perennial, et cetera.
And so we're here in Rome, but what would it take for agroecology to sort of take root and actually really succeed in the North American context?
That's an incredibly difficult question. 6 months ago, I probably would have said ending the Farm Bill. I'm no longer sure that's true. I think the primary function of that right now is crop insurance, and I'm not sure that that's really the evil entity that's keeping things from being more biodiverse. By whatever set of historical circumstances, we're in a place now where it is economically advantageous and deeply entrenched to grow enormous monocrops in an industrial way that depletes the soil, depletes biodiversity, and renders farmers dependent on industrial inputs, resulting in growing an incredibly impoverished array of crops that largely don't end up directly in human consumption, growing soy and maize in particular, and making them so inexpensive that they end up becoming industrial feedstocks, for chemical outputs or for livestock feed, which then entails this other cascade of environmentally disastrous consequences, ranging from feedlots to worse, and I think resulting almost directly in the increase of chronic diseases that are food and nutrition related, not diseases of, excess consumption, diabetes, and so on. So what do you do to break the cycle? What do you do to make it economically more viable, or create incentives for polyculture rather than monoculture, for more agroecological practices? I really don't know. I think that, or I hope that concerns around climate change and the resilience of our food system, the sustainability of our food system, will lead more people to do the right thing. But how you break these enormous industrial conglomerates and get them to be better corporate citizens, and what you do to restore the fertility of the soil in a way that isn't totally, reliant on, that doesn't continue to feed the vicious cycle of depletion and erosion. I don't know. It's a really difficult problem.
We're asking the difficult questions here. Well, thank you for your comments. Anything else?
That's it. Thank you so much.